welcome to another vlog. So my sister just left now. She's on her way back to school, and you guys, the Easter holiday is over. The holidays are over, so I'm back to square one. We're already back from Enugu. We are back to our house, and right now I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing. In fact, I've even done the unboxing. I just want to show you guys that I got a camera. So I got a camera. I've never had a camera before. Every video I've ever uploaded on my channel up onto this point. In fact, this video now I'm still filming with my Canon 11 Pro. That's what I've been using. So I decided that it was time to get a camera. You know, I want to up my game in the YouTube hustle. So you guys, I got a new camera and I'm going to show you guys. So this is my new baby. You guys, I bought the Canon EOS M50. I was comparing, like I've been watching a lot of videos about, because I wanted to get a very small camera. Like I don't want all these overly sized camera. I watched a lot of reviews about it. Was between this M50 and Canon G7X Mark II. But after much I decided to go with this one. I have the full unboxing video on my channel. If you're interested in, you know, all these unboxing videos, the video is already on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box. So let me show you the actual camera. This is my camera, Canon EOS M50. So it comes with this lens, the 15 to 45 lens. So this is the camera, this is the lens. It comes with a battery, a single battery, which is this. But I also bought another, I also bought an extra battery, which is this one right here, an extra Canon battery. And I also bought the 128 GB memory card. But this is the actual memory card. I've not opened this yet, but I'm going to do that pretty soon. It comes with the charger, the cord. It has two cords, the big cord and the smaller cord. I've not opened this one. I already used this to charge, and this is everything in the carton. If you're interested in the full unboxing, the video is on my channel. Now I'll leave the link in the description box. That's all for the new camera. And I wanted to order this camera from Amazon before. I wanted to order it from Amazon, but you know, if you're in Nigeria, there's a rule that you can't shop for more than $100 online right now in Nigeria. So the camera alone, I think it was almost like $500 on Amazon. And then I wanted to, my friend in the UK, I wanted to send her the money over there so that she would help me and purchase it and then ship it down to Nigeria. But you guys, after calculating the whole thing, the money was on the high side. You know, UK now. So eventually we had to, my husband had to make some calls. And so after making some inquiries, see, in this life, if you have people that, if you're having some kind of challenge or if you have any kind of question, you call them and they can provide solutions. You guys, those people are a blessing to your life. So that was how he made some calls, and eventually there's a store in Onyii. They sell everything Canon, both any kind of Canon camera, the lens, even all these drones and all that, everything Canon, they sell it. So that was where we went to, and we bought all these things now. So that is all for my unboxing, and I guess I'll see you guys later.